We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can exit OPPO recovery mode. So to start, let me quickly enter the recovery mode to begin with. So in order to do that, I will need to power off my device. Then simultaneously press the volume down and power button keys. Once the OPPO logo appears, I will need to let the power key go or release it like that. Now I'll just hold the volume down button until the recovery mode will be entered. So here it is. Let me get back to the language choice, so English language. And now once you are in the power mode, you can exit it by either tapping at the reboot device option and your phone will be restarted and will boot you into the system, or you can power it off and then manually using the power button switch it on. I'll go with the reboot device option, and well, that will be more or less it. We have successfully quit or exited the recovery mode. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.